Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to buy electricity with the Capitec app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening your Capitec app and signing into your account. From the home screen, scroll down until you see the Buy Electricity option, then tap on it. If this is your first time, you will need to add a meter. Tap on Add New Meter. From here, enter a name for your meter so you can recognize it later. Then make sure the utility type is set to electricity. After that, enter your meter number carefully. Once that's done, tap Add to save your meter. Then select your meter from the list. From here, you will get the option to enter the amount of electricity that you want to buy. Enter the amount, then review the details to make sure that everything is correct. After that, confirm the payment. At this point, your purchase will be processed. Once the payment is successful, your electricity token will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to save or share the token so you can enter it into your meter later. And that is it. That's how to buy electricity with the Capitec app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.